Okay, so for number 4, it says a ladybug crawls up a ladder to meet her friend. She meets her 1/4 of the way up the ladder. What point does the ladybug meet her friend? So what this is basically asking for is it wants to know what's the 1/4 point from A to B. Okay, so one of the things that we learned in class this week was that if you're dividing something into fourths, okay, you divide it in half to get your middle. The 1/4 point is half of the first half of the segment, and the 3/4 point is half of the second half of the segment. So if I want to find the 1/4 point here, I need to find my midpoint and then find the middle between A and the midpoint. Okay, so I'm going to start with getting my midpoint using midpoint formula. So 90 plus 10 divided by 2 and 72 plus 24 divided by 2. Okay. This is going to be my midpoint, or the 1/2 point. Okay. 90 plus 10 divided by 2 gives me 50. And then 48. Okay, this is my midpoint. Okay, to get the 1/4 point, which I'll do in a different color, I'm going to use point A and this midpoint. And I'm going to find the middle between them using midpoint formula again. So I'm going to do 50 plus 10 this time, divided by 2, and 48 plus 24 divided by 2. Okay. This is going to be the 1/4 point. Alright, so that becomes 30 and 36. Okay. So this is my 1/4 point. On the graph, I'm not even sure where that would be. So it's 100. So I guess these are in increments of 10, 20, 30. Okay, this is 10, 20, 30. So it would be somewhere about right there. That's my 1/4 point. All right, number 5. Okay. Points all on the same line. Okay. On the same line is called collinear. Co means together, and linear is like line. So collinear is on the same line. Okay, number 6. It says, how could you move to find the midpoint? So here we've got this line AB. Okay. So I'm going to draw my rise and my run from point A to point B. So originally we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now if you want to find the midpoint, you need to half these. So instead of going up 4, we're going to go up 2. And instead of going over 10, we're going to go over by 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my midpoint. Okay. All right. So answer choice A says that we go up 3 and left 3. That would go up and then that way. So that's not it for sure. B says we go up 2 and right 4. They're close, but we need to go right 5. So that's out. C says that we would go down 2 and left 5. So notice that takes us to the same place if we go down 2 and left 5. So it's answer choice C. Okay. D says down 2, left 3. That would not be enough. It would stop short. Okay. So it's C.